to do a little BMS intake sound clip for you guys, a little updated sound clip, see if we get some good sounds. Woo! I love that sound. Sounds so good. I don't know if you guys have an intake yet or if you don't. So as you guys know, I switched from the ETS intake I had at first, and then I got the BMS intake. And because it doesn't have the box covering the top, it just has the hood covering the top, it's so much louder, and hopefully it's showing on video. And that sounds good. I've had this thing on here for months, and the sound has not gotten old. I love hearing the turbo spool up and hearing that surge sound where it's almost like a blow off valve. It really sounds just like that. It just sounds so cool. Honestly, if you don't already have one, this is such a great investment. Of course, you're going to get some nice power gains. The power gains on this thing are about 10 to 15 wheel horsepower, give or take, maybe a little bit more on ethanol. But not even the power gains, really more so the sound. The sound is what makes it all worth it. I don't even really care about the power gains. It's really just that it sounds awesome. So yeah, if you're looking at getting an intake, I think out of what's out right now, this is probably the best option with the coolest sound. And then if you end up wanting to buy one, I've got a link in the description of where to go to get the BMS intake. And I've got some more content coming really soon.